When I was in prison, I often dreamed about my life being restored. I didn't know what that would look like, but I was convinced it was going to happen. What is the dream you're dreaming today?
My dream was to contribute to society in a significant way.
While I was in prison, I dreamed of my economic freedom and how I would not only help myself, but teach others how to do the same.
My greatest dream when I was incarcerated was to come home and someday be a father.
My dream was, obviously, other than not returning to incarceration, to have full contact across my family. We had been split up for a long time, and just reestablishing contact and being able to talk freely between my loved ones who I had lost for a while was my dream while I was incarcerated.
I am living the dream by showing each one of you deserve a second chance.
And today, I'm living that dream by not giving up on myself, working with persons like R3 Score and Mission Launch to find ways to give those who are impacted by the criminal justice system the tools they need.
And now I'm living that dream.
Today, I am able to live that dream. I'm not incarcerated, and my family is all in contact with each other.
Today, I am living the dream.